Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex, back with another banger here. And this is a different type of video today, and we're getting a puppy. She's a shepherd mix, and we're naming her Bailey, and we're going to pick her up. And I wanted to show you guys my other pets, because I don't think you guys have seen them before. And I have one dog named Max and a cat named Diego, and I'm going to go show you them right now. So, I'm in my parents' bathroom. And this is where my cat likes to stay. Diego, hi baby. He is approximately 14 years old, I think. He's adorable, and he's very nice. He's sniffing my hand. Oh, he's the cutest thing. He's so soft. I love him. He's my baby. I might go show you my dog. Max. Hi, baby. This is Max. Max is 9 years old, right? Yeah, we got him in 2010. Retriever Beagle mix. He's a cute one. And he has a shave spot on his back because we thought he had like a lump, but it's nothing major. It's just fat. It's my puppy. I mean, not a puppy, but he's my baby. He's so cute. Max, what you guys say? Don't lick the camera. And then over here, we got all these toys and harnesses and leashes for Bailey. Oh, Max, not for you. This is a leash. We got some harnesses. We got this toy. This used to be my dog's, but my dog doesn't play with toys anymore. Got an elephant. Got another little dog toy. We got this fox. Got a bunny. Got her a coat. And got her this pig looking thing. This frisbee. And some tennis balls. Sit. Shake. Lay down. Roll over. No, lay down. Lay down. Max, lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Max, you do this all the time. Come here. Come here, Max. Come here. Sit. Shake. Ow! Shit. Sit. Shake. Ow. Shake. Max, come here. Come here. Shake. Good boy. Lay down. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. I don't know why he was being so difficult. Scratch the shit out of me. Max. Max, how do you feel? You're gonna get a sister. Hmm? Hmm? You excited? You excited? He doesn't seem too excited. You'll get along nice.
Here she is. Hey. Who should I hand her off to?
Mom.
She is very drowsy. She's very, very drowsy. Yes. She was asleep in there. It's good. Here's your guys' paperwork. Can I grab a family picture of you guys, please? Let me grab my phone real fast. I'll be right back. Oh, she remembers you.
She loves us.
Oh, you're something cute. Awesome. You guys are good to go. Congratulations. Have a good Thanksgiving. No problem.
You're so cute.
She is cute.
You gonna soften up my hand to eat it? Oh, baby.
Sure.
Hi, baby. Taking you home. So cute.
Hey, sweetie. Yeah, that should be the room of the tree. Absolutely.
Well, I know, but we
Hi,
should
baby.
have had it
I know.
out here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I gotta kind of give it its time.
I agree. Yeah.
You excited to be home? You want to see your brother? Brother Max? She's so adorable.
Wow, she's pretty energetic for having just had surgery.
I know.
Alright, so do you think we should hide her from Max?
Hide her from
see,
Max.
See if she finds it, or if he finds her?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, she's so cute.
I think she's chasing after her shadow. Hi.
Max is all up on it.
Turn it on. Say hi.
Oh.
Say hi. Say hi. She's excited. He's excited. Take a picture.
Oh, that was so cute.
Say hi.
Scratch? You itchy? Are you itchy?
Oh.
Hey. Go back. Yeah. Maybe if I just sit in one spot, eventually you'll. Hey.
Oh my goodness. Hey. Use my other camera and get faster pictures. Capture the moment. Max, come here and lay down. Be more comfortable in the living room. Max.
I don't. Oh.
You are a fast moving target. You know that? It's never in the right angle. Oh. Can't get ya. Hey, hey.
She wants to play with him.
She does.
Are you scared of the puppy, Max?
That's not You are too fast for me. For this camera.
She is thirsty.
Now I get to sniffer.
Hey, Maxie. Hi. What are you doing?
Bailey.
God.
Slow down there.
She's eating really fast.
Is she choking? Is she choking?
Did they say that?
She ate too fast.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That's why you gotta let her chew.
Yeah, well I can't force her to chew her food.
You can take it away and make her chew.
You gotta chew your food, little girl. She eats way too fast.
Wow.
Look at her. She's like on a mission to get those crumbs. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the new puppy. There's going to be more videos to come. I really promise that. And this is just one little video that I wanted to make because I'm sharing something that I really think is cool. And my next video is going to be Black Friday, so be ready for that, and send some comments or text me or Snapchat me some video ideas, and hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving and happy holidays, and peace out.